Your customers can tell when you're copy-pasting the same pitch to everyone, and they're scrolling past before they even reach the second sentence. So it's time to stop sending marketing messages that sound like they were written by a robot in 2008. Think about the messages that actually make you pause, the ones that remember what you said last week, the ones that answer the question that's already forming in your mind. That's conversational marketing, genuine dialogue that replaces robotic pitches. And when it's done right, it turns casual browsers into loyal customers. In this video, we're breaking down exactly how to build conversational marketing that doesn't feel like marketing. We'll give you 6 practical strategies to transform how you connect with customers. And we'll show you how to run all of it inside ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace. So your strategy isn't scattered across 10 different tools. Let's jump in. Step 1, figure out what you're actually trying to achieve. Here's the thing. You can't launch conversational marketing and just hope it works. You need clarity on what success looks like. For example, are you tracking leads? How fast does your team respond? Pick the metrics that matter to your business and commit to them. ClickUp custom fields are perfect for tracking these metrics. Add unique data fields right on your tasks. Sort and filter by any metric instantly. Want to focus only on high-priority clients? Filter for it. You can even use formula fields to automatically calculate lead scores based on the data you're tracking. No manual math, no spreadsheets, everything's visible at a glance. Coming to step 2, nail down one clear message. Not 3 messages, not 5, 1. Because the reality is, if your message isn't razor sharp, it gets buried under everything else. So what's that one problem you solve better than anyone else? Whatever it is, make it impossible to misunderstand. That's where ClickUp Docs really shines. You can connect it to your workflow and build your entire messaging framework in one place. From drafting your talking points to refining them with your team, you get to keep everything version controlled. Everyone works from the same playbook. There are no conflicting messages floating around anymore. And when someone says, hey, we should tweak this part, assigned comments turns that feedback into a tracked action item that actually gets completed. Next up, show up where your customers already are. Don't make them come to you, go to them. If your audience lives on Instagram DMs, be there. If they're on Facebook Messenger, meet them there. However, managing 5 different platforms can become chaotic quickly. You're tab switching like crazy and completely losing context about who said what and when. This is where ClickUp's Template Center does the heavy lifting. It gives you ready-made frameworks for multiple functions, including marketing. Access doc templates for areas like content management and strategic marketing plans. Pick what fits your team, then customize it with custom fields, automations, and views. Everything stays documented and consistent across all platforms you use. Step 4, train your team so they don't freeze when things get real. Because let's be honest, conversations get complicated. And when they do, real humans need to jump in with the right context immediately. Your team needs to practice handling difficult scenarios. Using ClickUp whiteboards allows you to map out entire flowcharts for responses in such situations. You can turn your ideas into visuals and interact with your team by working together without ever leaving the workspace. So everyone sees the big picture. They understand exactly when to step in and what to say when they do. Plus, you can use ClickUp Brain, the world's most complete work AI, as your team's instant knowledge assistant. Need to know about the refund policy? Your team can simply type it in. What's the update on that campaign from last week? Again, they can ask for it right away. Brain pulls relevant answers from your entire workspace in seconds, and your team no longer needs to respond with, "Let me get back to you," and can cut down customer wait times significantly. Next, if you're using chatbots, make them really helpful. Because we've all experienced the bad ones. You ask a simple question and end up in some weird loop that eventually tells you to call customer service. So map out your conversation flows before anything goes live. Last but not least, track everything and optimize for visibility. Once your conversational marketing is live, you need visibility. For example, where are conversations dropping off or what's actually driving conversions? Use ClickUp dashboards as your marketing mission control, from tracking key metrics to visualizing campaign performance. Dashboards make it incredibly easy to monitor and improve every part of your conversational marketing. Here is the interesting part. You can ask ClickUp Brain anything about your dashboard, and it will answer by searching across every piece of available data. You're no longer manually digging through reports looking for patterns. So here's the thing about conversational marketing. It only works when it feels genuinely human. But if your tools are scattered across 6 platforms and your team is missing context, you're just creating more work sprawl. With ClickUp's collaborative workspace, you're no longer just running campaigns. You're building relationships that drive outcomes. So, what are you waiting for? Try ClickUp for free and see how conversational marketing becomes effortless when everything aligns together.